Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Showing I have the Sagarmala project with me. It shows that the intent of the government is to transport 137 million tons. That is the projection. Honorable Chief Minister was Poichi Disa, he was on record that this particular project is for passenger and transport. Ata, Speaker sir, if you look, or I will place this report on the table of the House. Je Sagarmala project on page 292, quote kotta ho Speaker sir. Jenna Sarkaracho jenna ek ye ha ki baba ye coal enamo, itlo coal enamo 15 million ton handle gotaymo. Teja mais te handle konaymo. Zalyar Speaker sir ye page chair on page 292, which relates basically to I'll just give it to you. Plants in Belgaum, Bellary, Bijapur, Solapur, Gulbarga and Raichur. They have plans of 20,330 tons, Speaker sir, of metric megawatts power generation. Dusre zale, Speaker sir, tengelo ani ek yeha ki they want to put a steel plant which is 72.5 million tons. Ye projection Sagarmala daha. What I want to clear, Speaker, Tedus Sagarmala project it was mentioned here, which also pertains to this coal project. Ki okot passenger and HR time. My direct contention, I would request the Honorable Environment Minister, is he aware of this project, that there is a projection of 137 million tons of coal?
What is the stand of the government on coal transportation through Goa by private companies for their profits? What is the benefit the state of Goa will get from transportation of coal from Vasco da Gama to other states, and what? I have answered, Speaker sir, that does not want to exceed the quantities presently permitted. It's very clear, Speaker sir.
Speaker sir, you have said.
माझो एक सादो प्रश्न सादो म्हणल्यार कितें हें व्हडलें प्रोजेक्शना हांव सांगना हांव इतलें म्हणटा की फाल्यां हे रेल्वे ट्रॅक जेन्ना जातलो ताजेर जर एक एक्सिडेंट जालो नाजाल्यार लँडस्लायड जाली हिल कटिंगा खातीर नाजाल्यार लोकांची हेल्थ एफेक्ट जावपाक लागली कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशना खातीर जाल्यार मंत्री आमकां उत्तर कितें दितलो वो सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट प्रोजेक्ट आपल्याक खबर ना म्हणून अशें सांगूंक जाता आमच्यान डज सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट ओन गोवा Speaker sir,
point of order, Speaker sir. Point of order. That's what he said. Speaker sir, he made the statement. He has made the statement. I am not making the statement.